Welcome, in front of me I have Nothing Phone 3 and today I'm gonna show you display tricks that you should try on this smartphone. So let me show you the available features that you can use to set up your display on this Nothing Phone 3 device. Let me start by opening the settings, then scroll down a little bit to move to the display. And here you can see the options that you can use to personalize your display. At first, start with the most important thing here, and it is a display refresh rate. You can see three available options: the dynamic, high and standard. On the preview here you can see clearly the difference. On the left this is a 120 Hz, this is a high option, and the animation is smoother, the scrolling looks better, so the difference is huge. On the right is a standard refresh rate, which is 60 Hz. This is a very low amount for smartphones these days, so I'm not recommending using a standard one. You should choose between dynamic and high. Of course, if you are run out of the power of the battery, then if you choose the dynamic, then your refresh rate will be changed to 60 Hz if you have low battery, but you can use always 120 Hz. It depends of your preferences, of course. Remember that this option here consumes more battery power, so be aware of that. Now let's move to the next part, and this is Screen Timeout. Here you can choose the exact time after which your screen goes dark and locks after of inactive time. I choose the 10 minutes because I'm recording this video, but most of the users chooses something between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Of course, choose whatever you need. You should of course choose here the screen attention, which prevents your screen from turning off if you are looking at it. You should choose to enable this option, but the same situation, if you don't want to use it, then don't. Next step, you should think about the brightness level. If you want to change it manually, like me right now, or from top menu, of course, also the manually. Or you can choose the adaptive brightness. You can enable this toggle here, and this option allows your device to detect the lights around you. So if you are in the dark place, then your current brightness will be very low. If you are during a day outside, then your brightness will be adapt to a maximum level probably. So decide what you want to do. If you want to change it manually every time like me, or you want to use adaptive brightness, then do whatever you want. After that, we all love the dark theme during the night, so it is good to know how to enable it. You can do this from the settings manually, or you can schedule it. You can choose to turn on the dark theme at a custom time, or turns on from sunset to sunrise. Of course, I like to using it manually because I'm not always using the dark theme during the night. But if you want to use it, then schedule the dark theme here. On the next step, I'm gonna show you how to change the navigations button. You can find this option in accessibility settings, then scroll down and move to the system controls. Then choose the first option, navigation mode. Here you can switch to gesture navigation or three buttons. Depends of your preferences. I like to use a three button navigation. and here you can choose the gear icon to also set up the layout you want to use, if you want the back button on the left side or right side. Then you can change it here. And this is all of the display tricks that I wish to show you. I hope you like this video. Leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!